In this tutorial I will be showing you how to install Audacity for lifetime. So first what are you going to do is type Audacity on your Google or just your internet browser and just open this first one, download Audacity, current version 3.2.5 and just open this. Okay, yes, accept it, next, agree, next. This is where you want to download it, but I'm gonna keep it at this. Next, you can additional shortcuts, you can add it to your desktop, but I want install and wait a little bit. Next, launch Audacity if you want, just to see. And here it is. This is just tutorial for this is just a showcase of real-time effects. And here, quick help. Okay, you don't need this. Okay, and here you can record sound, and yeah, here it is. Yeah, this is it, guys, and thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below what should I film next. And that's it. Goodbye, guys. Thanks for watching.